Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to split rows into a new sheets based on the row count. So in this example I need to create multiple sheet based on the row count. So let's say I need to separate these cells into a new sheets. Let's see how it can be done using Excel VBA code. So I have recorded the program. So go to the VBA editor. This is my program. So here I have taken three variables a, b and I. First we go to the sheet 1 and here I have used for loop and a while loop. You can go to the code and I need to name the new sheets like product 1, product 2, product 3 likewise. Then I need to add the title same as product ID, unit price, quantity and sales amount, and the change the interior color. Let's see how it. Okay, here it's already run. Let's see the result. Okay, you can see this has been split into the 4 sheets. Each sheet contain 5 rows. You can see that. Okay, thanks for watching and have a nice day. If you have not yet subscribed us, please subscribe iTech Hub, our channel, and to see the videos like this as soon as published.